So now the aggregate is weighed up and we've acknowledged that the truck is in position ready to go, the front water is in the truck. We are now starting to discharge the aggregates and we are just about to start to discharge the cement once the aggregates has gone into the back of the truck. The animation here, the yellow colour of the chute, indicates the direction of travel for the material, and you can see it's going into the truck. Here we have a particular flow rate and what the plant is actually achieving. If for any reason you want to stop the discharge into the truck because it blocks up, you can click stop and that will automatically stop discharge. Once the plant is ready to start discharge again, or the truck is ready to start discharge again, you can click discharge and the plant will automatically start discharging. The animation on the truck drum shows the proportional fill on the truck, so as the grey level of the concrete goes up, once it gets to the top, that's the 100% value. We can see how much has been discharged so far, and at the moment there's 0 of one batch in there. This is the mix code and ticket. We have control if we want to indicate to the driver to make a siren sound outside, we can do that there. This section of the screen shows the progress of the load, so it's showing the ticket number, the mix code, the quantity. It's showing you who the customer is, and we can easily just spread that across there to get more information. What the route is, there's 0 left in the balance, it's a 6 metre load, and this is batch 1 of 1, which is in the weighers at the moment, and there's 0 metres in the truck at the moment, because this is showing the total load. Here we are discharging. On this particular plant we have a variable speed conveyor, screw conveyor, which matches the speed of the cement into the aggregate to get a ribbon feed. You can now see that the cement is finished, just the last bit of aggregate going in there, and we're waiting to put the remaining amount of water in there. So we're now putting the end water, the aggregate and cement's all finished, the conveyor's stopped, it's putting the remaining amount of water in there. And the admix is discharging also with the water. This tells you the detail of the particular water that's going in the truck, that it is the end water. It's split into 3 sections, front, middle and end. You can see now on the truck that we've got the capacity now, or the animation of the fill is towards the top, showing that it is nearly complete. I'm just waiting for the last amount of admix to go. The simulation on this system is quite slow, so you can see slowly what the progress is. Now the load is complete and we hand it back to the operator for slumping. This is a simple control panel that is showing him the amount of what the target amount of water is, what the amount of water that's been discharged, and the operator then can simply slump up the load or temper the load. If he wants to add 30 litres of water, just by clicking on the 30, the system automatically adds that water. You can select which feed he wants, either the recycle pump or the fresh pump. Again, you can select and add that automatically, or if the operator wishes to, he can just manually add this. All materials going to the loads are recorded, and once the load is finished we can just click on finish to say the load is now complete and dispatch the load, and that is the end of that load.